Hello everyone, this is Hina and welcome back to IgniteCore Solutions. This is the third lesson of the WordPress Master series, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to score higher in the SEO analysis. Let's get started. First of all, I need you guys to go to your website. Remember the one we made last time? Yes, that's one. If you don't have a website yet, I recommend that you go to the first episode and watch it to make your own WordPress website. To teach you the SEO magic, I'm gonna ask you guys to go to the post section. You guys can also use your pages, but because this is your first time, I'm gonna ask you to add a post and then practice on the post so you guys can get better in the SEO and then you guys can implement it on your pages. Add a post. So to add a post, you guys need to have a topic that you need to add it to, right? You need a title. So if you don't have a title yet, go ahead, think of any good title. It can be anything, literally. You can write on dinosaurs. It can be related to your website. But since this is just your practice, I'm gonna take you guys through the dinosaurs topic. Here I have a really interesting topic. It is about dinosaurs. So to start writing my blog, I'm gonna have to add a blog, right? To make it more interesting. We're gonna go to Wonder Blocks and look for a heading. Adding a heading block makes your heading really interesting. You can also replace your images. I'm gonna teach you how to do that later. For now, just add your text and add the rest of the body of your post. Take your time. So here, I have my blog ready. In your blog or in your pages, you can add different blocks from Wonder Blocks and make it visually appealing. Like if your blog is just random text and no images, no one's gonna watch it because images are the most interesting part of any text or any content. So make sure you add images. Now see here, I have green color in my heading analyzer. That means my heading is perfect. If you have it red or yellow, you can make it better. Let's go to the Yoast SEO part. See here, my readability analysis is green. It's gonna be green. It's always green. I've never seen it red before. But my SEO analysis is red. I'm gonna teach you guys how to make this green too. So first of all, you need your focus keyword. Focus keyword is basically the main point of your blog. Like my blog is about dinosaurs and what if they never went extinct. So I'm gonna write a focus keyword that's gonna match the vibe of my blog. I can add what if dinosaurs never went extinct, but that is gonna be very, very long. So I'm just gonna add dinosaurs. See, did you see that? The color just went from red to orange. So now we need to make it go from orange to green. So let's come down here and see all the green parts that we need to make better. First of all, it says internal links. No internal links appear on this page. It means that you need to add links that take you outside. For example, in this button, I add a link of Wikipedia where you can see what dinosaurs are. I can go to advanced and open the link in new tab so the user does not get away from my blog when they're reading it and click on the button. Next, it says key phrase in your introduction. Your key phrase or its synonyms do not appear in the first paragraph. Let's see where the first paragraph is. Here, this is the first paragraph, and they're right. I don't see the word dinosaur in my first paragraph. Imagine walking out of your house and spotting a T-Rex stomping past a McDonald's, or raptors chilling in your backyard trees like pigeons. Sounds right? Well, hold on to your fossils. Funny, but it does not say my keyword here. So I'm gonna change this first paragraph and make sure that you can see my focus keyword in this. So here you guys can see that I have my focus keyword set in this paragraph now. Let's see what's next. Key phrase in meta description. So key phrase is in meta description. I'm gonna tell you guys how to do this at last. Next is key phrase in subheading. Make sure you only have one H1. You need to add the top heading as H1 and the other should be on the lower levels. Make sure you have your keyword in your headings too and subheadings too. Now see here, I don't see the same problem again. My key phrase in the headings and subheadings is green now. That means that that problem is also solved. Up next is the text length. So my blog contains 158 words, but make sure when you're writing a proper professional blog, make sure you have a greater number of words. The minimum should be 300. Up next is the SEO title bit. So the title should be viewable, like it should be short enough to be viewable. Make sure that is green too. And next is key phrase and alt image attributes. Make sure you have your keyword in the alt text. To do that, click on your image and click on this icon right here. And you're gonna scroll down to see an alt text section. You're gonna write your alt text there. Here I have written my key phrase in all the alt text of each and every image. Make sure you do that too. Dinosaur fossils. The other one has dinosaur skeletons. The other one is dinosaur in a forest. And then T-Rex, the king of dinosaurs. So each and every image of mine has the word dinosaur in it. Now let's see what's next. Key phrase in meta description. Now I'm going to show you how to add a meta description. To add a meta description, scroll down in the Yoast SEO section and click on Search Appearances. Here you'll see the option to change your SEO title, the slug, and the meta description. Make sure to add a SEO-friendly title. Slug should be short, okay? It should be short and SEO-friendly, and also add a description. Be back when you're done with that. So here I have added my title, slug, and the description. See, now the title is green and the description is orange. Orange is fine too, but green is better. Now you see, the Yoast SEO is green. Here's the happy little green icon. And congratulations, you guys just made your first SEO-friendly blog. So to recap, in this video, I taught you guys how to make a blog and how to make your blog SEO friendly so it actually ranks in the search engines. That's it for today, guys, and I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye and best of luck for your next project.